Hello, friends. Do you have keystone habits in your life? If no, this video is for you. First of all, what are keystone habits? Keystone habits are those small changes or habits that people introduce into their routines that unintentionally carry over other aspects of their lives. Keystone habits create a domino effect that change every area of your life. Example of keystone habit is first, exercise regularly. Exercise trigger people to start eating better. People who exercise have increased patience, less stress, and are more productive at work. Second, tracking what you eat. Studies have shown that keeping a food journal can help you lose twice as much weight as you would lose without a food journal. This is because people who keep a record of what they eat are able to go back and find routines and triggers in their eating habits. Third, developing new routines. According to Dewey, the way that you organize your routines have a big impact on your health, productivity, happiness, and financial security. For example, if you woke up at 5 and running for 50 minutes, then you set yourself to be more productive during the whole day, which in turn helps to financial security as your boss is noticing how efficiently you are working. And last, making your bed. Making your bed is correlated with increased productivity, a greater sense of well-being, and better budgeting skills.